Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the speedometer or the instrument cluster on Opel Corsa D. This is the speedometer that I'm going to be replacing. I'm replacing it because it doesn't show the speed when you're driving. It's a common problem on these speedometers. To remove the speedometer, first we need to remove the panel around it. This is the panel. In order to remove that panel, we just need to pull it out. It's much better to use both hands. You just need to pull out the panel and it comes out. After we remove this panel, the speedometer is held by 3 Torx bolts, one on top and 2 on the bottom. First we're going to remove the top bolt, which is right there. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. That's the top bolt removed. To remove the 2 bottom bolts, first we need to remove this panel that's both just behind the steering wheel. In order to do that, we need to remove this cover and remove this screw, and then we need to turn the steering wheel to the other side and remove the screw on the other side. Okay, so now we're going to turn the steering wheel to the other side, and that's the other screw that we need to remove. Now that the 2 screws are removed, I'm going to turn the steering wheel back in a normal position, and I'm going to take out this plastic cover. Maybe use a plastic pie to help you out with removing it. And now we'll have access to the 2 bolts holding the speedometer. I'll show you a closer view of them. That's one bolt right there, and the other bolt is on the other side. To get better access to those bolts, first I need to bring the steering wheel down and forward, and then I'll have better access to the bolts. Now I'm going to remove the 2 bolts holding the speedometer. Now that the 2 bolts are removed, I'm going to take out the speedometer, and the only thing left to remove is the electrical connector on the rear of the speedometer. To remove the electrical connector, there is a tab on it that you need to press, and then you're going to slide out the electrical connector. That's the electrical connector out. Now we can take out the speedometer and we can replace it with a new one. That's the new speedometer. Putting it back on is in the exact reverse order. First we're going to put on the electrical connector, and then we're going to put it in its place and put the 3 Torx bolts on the speedometer that hold it and tighten them. Next we're going to put on this plastic cover, and we're going to put on the 2 screws holding the cover. Once we put on the 2 screws, then we're going to put the panel that's above the speedometer, and we're going to press it in on its tabs, and then we're done. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.